Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV or some breaking news. Yeah, the liver, despite being one of the body's most robust organs, remains susceptible to damage from stress and aging, which can lead to disease, significant scarring, and even organ failure. Researchers at Duke Health may have discovered a method to rejuvenate the liver in their study, which involved mice and human liver tissue. The team discovered that aging triggers the death of specific liver cells. They successfully reversed this aging process in mice using an investigational drug. The finding, which appears in the journal Nature Aging, holds high promise for the millions of people who have some degree of liver damage. Yeah, livers that are essentially old due to the metabolic stresses of high cholesterol, obesity, diabetes or other factors. Their study demonstrates that aging is at least partially reversible, said senior author Anna Mai Dahal, MD, the Florence McAllister Distinguished Professor of Medicine at the Duke University School of Medicine. You are never too old to get better. And colleagues set out to understand how non-alcoholic liver disease develops into a severe condition called cirrhosis, in which scarring can lead to organ failure. Aging is a key like factors for cirrhosis among those who have been diagnosed with non-alcoholic liver disease, known as metabolic dysfunction associated steatotic liver disease or MASLD. 1 in 3 adults worldwide has the disease. Studying the livers of mice, the researchers identified a genetic signature distinct from old livers compared to young livers. The old organs had an abundance of genes that were activated to cause degeneration of hepatocytes, the main functioning cells of the liver. We found that aging promotes a type of programmed cell death in hepatocytes called ferroptosis, which is dependent on iron. Dahl said, metabolic stressors amplify this death program, increasing liver damage. Armed with their genetic signature of old livers, the researchers analyzed human liver tissue and found that the liver of people diagnosed with obesity and MASLD carried the signature. And the worse their tissues, the stronger the signal. Importantly, key genes in the livers of people with MASLD were highly activated to promote cell death through ferroptosis. This gave the researchers a definitive target. There are things we can use to block that, I'll say. Again, turning to mice, the researchers fed young and old mice diets and also that caused them to develop MASLD. They then gave half the animals a placebo drug and the other half a drug called ferrostatin 1, which inhibits the cell death pathway. Upon analysis after treatment, the livers of the animals given ferrostatin 1 looked biologically like young, healthy livers, even in the old animals that were kept on the disease-inducing diet. This is hopeful for all of us, Dahal said. It is like we had old mice eating hamburgers and fries, and we made their livers like those of young teenagers eating hamburgers and fries. Behind this exclusive report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, Bharat.